AC remote not working, quick DIY solutions that actually work. When an AC remote stops working, it is often a minor issue with the batteries, signal, or a need for a quick reset rather than a broken air conditioner. Most problems can be solved in minutes with simple DIY steps. Here are the most effective, quick DIY solutions for an unresponsive AC remote. Basic troubleshooting and battery check. Dead or weak batteries are the #1 cause of failure. Replace them with fresh, high-quality batteries, alkaline preferred. Ensure the positive, plus, and negative ends match the markings inside the compartment. If the old batteries leaked, use a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol or a small piece of fine sandpaper to clean corrosion off the contacts. Signal and sensor fixes. Ensure nothing is blocking the line of sight between the remote and the AC unit, e.g., furniture, curtains. Wipe the infrared, IR, transmitter at the top of the remote and the receiver on the AC unit with a soft, dry cloth. Move other electronic devices, like TVs or lamps, away, as they can cause signal interference. Stand closer to the unit, ideally within 6 meters, 20 feet. Reset the remote. Take out the batteries, then press and hold any button for about 5 to 10 seconds to discharge any remaining power. If your remote has a small, recessed, reset button, usually found in the battery compartment, press it using a paperclip. If a button is stuck, it can prevent the remote from sending signals. Press all buttons firmly to ensure none are stuck down. Advanced DIY checks. Turn on your smartphone camera, point the remote's IR emitter, the little light at the top, at the camera, and press a button. If the remote is working, you will see a faint purple-white light on your screen. If no light appears, the remote is likely broken. If the remote passes the camera test but the AC doesn't respond, turn off the AC circuit breaker or unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the unit's motherboard. If the remote has a display but won't send commands, it may be locked. Try pressing the up and down temperature buttons simultaneously to unlock it. When to replace or call a professional. If you have tried all the above and the remote still doesn't work, consider these options. Buy a universal remote. These are cheap and work with most brands. Use a smartphone app. If your AC is smart enabled, use its dedicated app, or if your phone has an IR blaster, use a universal remote app. Call a technician. If the unit does not respond to a new remote, the receiver board inside the AC unit may be damaged.